Hi friends, welcome. Today I'm going to be making creamy coleslaw, and I thought I would bring you guys along and show you how I make it. Now in my bowl here I have about 7 cups of cabbage that I have cut up in my food processor. You can see here it's kind of fine. We like our slaw, the cabbage, to be kind of fine. So you know, cut that up however you want it. And then in this bowl, I have some carrots here, and that's about 3/4 of a cup. Then in this bowl, I have mayonnaise, and that's about 1.5 cups. Then this is 1/2 cup of sugar. Then I've got 2/3 of a cup of milk, and 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So let's get started putting this coleslaw together. Okay, just going to put carrots in. Okay, then I'm going to put the sugar in, and I'm not going to put all of the sugar. I'm going to leave a little less than 1/4 cup of sugar in this, and we'll use that later if we need to. And then let's go ahead and put our vinegar in. Then we want to just go ahead and put the milk in. And then let's put some mayonnaise in there now. This is what makes it good. This looks like a lot of mayonnaise, but guys, that's a lot of cabbage. So let's get stirring here. This makes a really, really creamy coleslaw. It's so good. You just want to mix that really well. Now, if you're using a mayonnaise that has a tangier taste to it, you might want to use a little bit more sugar and just a little bit less vinegar, because if you use this amount of vinegar, it might make it too sour for you. But of course, it depends on what you like, you know, and you can experiment with this, and nothing's set in stone. I usually don't measure this, but of course for the video I had to give you some idea of what I do here. And whenever we get this mixed a little bit more, we're going to do a little taste test here and just see what this needs now. Need some more mayo. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and use my 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, and I'm also going to use the rest of the sugar. Okay, so let's get that mixed in. Okay, that's looking better now. You can probably see there, I hope you can see on the video here, how creamy this is. This is just a really, really creamy coleslaw. Very, very good. Of course, I know the mayonnaise is not good for you, but, you know, again, that country cooking is not the healthiest, but it is good. Okay, you can kind of see there how creamy that is. That looks about right. Okay, let's try another little bite. Oh goodness, perfect. All right, guys, there you go. Give it a try. See how well you like it. I want to thank you guys for stopping by and visiting with me. Come back and visit real often. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, you guys be blessed and happy trails.